Okay, so remember and forget are adjacent to each other, so we need to put the spacing between these components. So for that I will use a spacer here, and put the weight to 1f, so it will occupy all the free space, and forget password will be goes to the right of the screen. Okay, and the next is put the spacing between this switch and remember. Okay, so that's it is according to our design. And okay, so the next part is create this sign-in button or login with Google and login with Facebook. Let's uh, put this one, sign-in button. So for that, first I will put the spacer here, and button which contains text and an icon here. So for that I will put it in the row, the text and the icon. So row, and what is the size of this text? It's 16 and weight medium. And the next one is this image, so I will export this image from here, but I'm not able to click on this image directly. So for that I will press Alt and click on this button, Alt and click on this button and drag it down, so it will duplicate this button. And here I will select this icon and export it. Actually I take it as it is. Actually I need to change the quality to 4x and export it. So I will name it IC right arrow with blue background. Copy this, paste it in the drawables, and now here I will use an image. Painter resource, and size would be 30 by 30. and okay, this is it. So as I have added some raw file in the resources, so I will build and refresh it from here. Okay, so things are showing here, but it's not as expected here. Actually, I need them to be vertically centered, and sign in should be at the center of this sign button. Okay, so let's first expand this button. Fill next, and the sign in button should be at the center of that. First I will make the row components to vertical alignment, center vertically, and fill next, and puts a padding vertically, horizontal actually. Add dp, and the next part is I need to make the sign in button at the center. So here sign in button occupying the whole available space, and arrow button is showing at the right of the button. So here I will give this weight modifier one. It will occupy the whole width, and alignment should be centered. Okay, so now sign in is showing at the center of the button, and now increase the height of the button. For that I will increase the content padding. What is the default value of this one? Actually, to increase the padding, I will set the vertical padding to this row, and put the margin on the left and right side of the button. And change the background color of this, and make the corner rounded according to our button. So for that I will set the property shape a rounded corner shape and make it 8 dp, and the background color would be This one I will go to color, and find it here. Is it exist here? Yes, this blue color is exist here, so I will use this blue color at the background color of this button. So I will set the colors property. What is the default value of this? Let's say it. Container color and blue. Okay, and the rounding should be, corner rounding should be increased, so it's 8 here. I will increase it to 16, and now build and refresh here, as I have added a color. Actually I haven't added the color in the color file. So yeah, it's showing according to the design mostly. Yeah, just need to increase some padding on top and bottom. So I will make the vertical padding of this row to 6, and yeah, this would be according to our design. So next I will show the or login with text with Google. So for that, actually I need to increase some spaces above the sign in too. So let's make it 18 and see the effect here. Okay, so this is good. So now the text, which is or spacer what is the size and color of this or text? Size 16, weight medium, and this is the color. So font size 16, font weight medium, and color would be this color which we have got from the design, and this is looks like gray shade. So I will use this gray 4 and put our color here, and gray 4 imported. Now let's build and refresh it here, because we have added a color in the color file. Okay, so or is according to our design. So the next is this login button, login with Google. So I will copy and paste the same button, which is the sign in button. and what it contains, it contains a Google logo, login with Google text, and this time the logo is on left side, image is on left side. So let's import these images. Copy these images in the drawable. So we have this same button here, so we will shift the logo from right to left side, and change the color to login with text, and change the background color to white. Okay, change the background color to white. So let's do these things one by one. First, change this text, login with Google, and the color of this one is nearly black. Okay, black. We already have that color in our file, so black too, and the size is 16. Wait, actually it's some font, but it would be according to the similar to the design. So color black, and shift this logo on left side, and in here and the background color is white, and our content here is centered horizontally, and there is some spacing between this icon and the text here. So let's do that. Actually, I have added some images in here, so I need to build and refresh. Before that, I will change the alignment of this component. So first I will make the horizontal arrangement to center, and change the weight property, actually remove it, and put the spacing between these image and text. Now build and refresh. Okay, so our view have been rendered, and our login with Google button is showing here, but its background color is not visible. This is because the background color of our screen here contains different kind of components in the background, and the button has shadow itself. So let's put the shadow on this button to make this button visible, more visible actually. To put the shadow on the color on this button, we will use the elevation property. And what is the default value in here? Button default elevation. Okay, so let's increase the value of this to 16. Actually 14 is good. So okay, that's right. So let's put the elevation to this signing button too. So I will copy this code from here and paste it in here. And the next is login with Facebook. So I will copy this button from here. Facebook, and icon would be I see Facebook. And the next is don't have an account and sign up text. So this is shown in the text in a row. And row contain full max width and text. Don't have account. And what is the size of this text? 15. Size is 15 and the color is black. I am not able to pick the color of this area. So let's pick this color using a color picker. Where is my color picker extension? So we can use a color picker extension here to pick the color, and this extension names color pick eyedropper. So click on it and go to this text. Okay, actually I need to zoom it further. Okay, now I will pick this color using color picker. This is the color that we need here. So I will go to our color file and no, I'm not able to copy this color from here. Actually, copy and okay, I'm not able to pick it, so let's write it manually. 120D. I don't know why I'm not able to copy this. 120 D26. It's already in here, which is black 2 color. So So I will put the color here black 2. And what is the size of this color? Size of this text, it's 15. And yeah, that's it for this color. And the next is sign up text. So I will make another text here, sign up, and font width is same as the above one, which is 15 sp, and color is, what is the color of this one? So again, I will need to pick this using color picker. This is 5669FF. Copy this and check if this exists in our file. Yeah, this is blue color. Blue one, and our text should be centered horizontally, and should be centered horizontally. There is spacing between this and spacing on the top and bottom. So have spacing on top. Actually, I will this time I will use padding here, 16 dp, and make the content centered. For that we will use horizontal arrangement, center, and then spacing between this don't have an account and sign up. For that we will use spacer. So yeah, this is good. So just need to increase some spacing on the tops and bottom. So I will use 24 dp, and yeah, this is it. This is all the components have been according to our design. Just little bit of spacing things are left, and these background shades are left. So first start with the spacing things, and then we will use put this background colors in there. So spacing of sign in, let's make it 24. And on bottom of the sign in, let's make it 12, and between these text fields also increase this. So let's also make this 12, and this space is enough. I think need to increase this one too. Let's also make this 12, and this or spacing, or need more spacing on top and bottom. So I will use the spacing to the or directly. and put some spacing between these buttons. Maybe no, they are good. This spacing is good and according to our design. Okay, so the next part is we need actually on the top I need to increase some spacing on the top here. So on top let's make it 12. So okay, so this is according to our design.